Malawi Brief.
Ajomo Osman, omwenso ndi mfumu ya mzinda wa Blantyre, anayendera ntchito yomanga Islamic University yomwe eni ake ndi amwenye omwenso amakhala mu mzindawu, ndipo ulendo wawo unali motere.
Who are doing the big things in Rwanda, as we see it in the university graduates who got the Rwanda Islamic University. So, as the mayor was looking for the support, we are going through a lot, and these guys, they are donating some beds at the Bandit Center and the South Rose Clinic. So before we start our journey to go there, we come here and see what they are doing. So I want you guys to join me and see what is happening. We want a lot of development. So when there are people who are doing a lot for the benefit of Malawians, to us, it's very important. So that's why I'm here. A lot of people are going to ask why the mayor is here to see what is not in this program. This is my program. And the mayor is supposed to encourage people who are doing good things. So this brother, this is I don't know if you can say or say it. Okay, Mama, this is Osman. Yeah, he's the director of the state. I want people to know.
Okay.
Don't be shy.
My name is Muhammad Usman.
Yeah.
And I am, you can say not a director, but a servant of Dawat-e-Islami in Malawi. Dawat-e-Islami is an international organization which serves the message of preaching education to the people, welfare of the people. Right now, with the mayor, we are going to 2 hospitals to distribute hospital beds. But before that, we came here. This is our ongoing project of development of an Islamic university in Bangwe, which shall in future, hopefully, starting from 2027, start providing Islamic higher education to the students free of cost. They will be dining here, residence here, everything. This is happening with public donations. We are asking donations from the people and we are investing here so that the community can benefit in the future. And I'm very, very happy that the director, we were actually here and we were going. I just showed him from outside. I said, no, then let us. He took interest himself. I want to see. He told the media team, the brothers who are standing behind the camera, let them come, let them cover this. This is some. I was very happy the way he took interest in this. May Allah bless us all. May He empower us all, and may our nation, our country prosper like never before.
Inshallah. So
That's
how many
we have 8
What's
persons.
that? I said you done. Equal.
On either sides. 4 there, 4 here, 8 classrooms, as you can see. And
You're going to have 8.
8 classrooms.
Yeah.
This is the library.
Oh.
Where they go down on the east and self-study, quiet.
What? I want to go home like this. Bye-bye. Me, I'll donate to once. I'm sure these things.
Officially, we can say he is amongst the very first people. Although it's not ready, we'll be stepping forward.
Yeah. So if someone comes,
We can say this
tell
is-
the first person to come here, what Jomo. Yeah.
Come in, brother. Very interesting.
So this is the owner.
Yeah. Head of the organization, Usman Madan.
This is super far. You see, when this is done, we will
Inshallah, I'll be here.
You have an early
I'll come.
invitation for the inauguration.
I am the one who's going to come in.
Yeah.
Huh? I'm going to do one. I say, yeah, it could be one day coming from Brooklyn.
This is the final That's it, we are ready. The construction we are ready. If you are ready,
This is a project we plan to do. This is not this one. This is a project we plan to do in the near future. Of course, it is our
You know, guys, say. What is that? Close. Ababa kumoti vendera valivile funa nyuma ndiyakisa
Adamaliza kuyendera ntchito yomanga Islamic University, bungweri mosogozedwa ndi mfumu ya mzindawo anafikanso pa chipatala cha Bangwe komanso South Lunzu kumene agawa mabedi amene amasowekera mzipatalamo.
Which one is it? You just put one. Yeah, no problem. You just put it. Yeah, this one, no problem.
Tem.
Thank you for this place. Women will be happy.
This is the start. Many more projects.
That's good. They all come. Especially here in Bangwe.
I say,
Bangwe is a pilot for you. It will be a pilot project for you.
That's around.
We want the people to
Imagine, but something to so, Tangani might have this more far. I know.
Come in front, come in front.
How the banner is on there?
Can somebody help us?
It's better.
Izomwe tikupanga pano aipiyatwa akazindira ndife anthu akubanga kuno dada achibala atithandiza mabedi mzonde tikufuna pang'ono ndi pang'ono ndonda moyo kusintha so
ziri bwino ifaakubanga nadawa kwambiri zoti chinchabe chabe abeya akukula chifayabo kwambiri
komanso singafune kuti pokhala chikondi ndizinda wa Blantyre tikanatenga abedi wonse kusisa kubanga koma taona kuti agerenso aku South Lunzu kuti nawonso uyu ase ango watrakini akupita ali kuti
Driver ya truck.
angodusa ako mango kwapi angodusa ali kuti driver ase